Hello guys, today I want to show you the best ever crypto platform for analyzing the projects. It's called the Extract Network. So here you can see actually the main tools, the dashboard of all the listed like top 2000 project listed on the market. You can sort by exchange, you can sort by market cap, by volume, by integrations with chains, by RCI, and for example, for other variables like market cap, volume, and so on. Then definitely you also have a market side where you can perform and as well into the market observation. You can definitely see the best gainers on the market for the current day, for the Max, Binance, the new listing on the market, where you can also understand how the thing is going. Then you have the social activities, the top movies for the 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, and the all tags by change. So you can see which industry or sub-industry is performing better than other. Then you also can have market size, where also the industries you can see who is strong and the strong one, and other lists of relative uh, coins on the market. So then you can go to the signals where engine is always looking for different signals on the market based on different patterns. So this is a Juve. You can also open it to see the chart. Uh, any chart you actually open, you have a chart here. Here you have exactly the descriptions, ability to add to the watch list, market cap, followers, links, then you have also the performance still to get from the TG and other life cycle phases, as well as RCI and the volume here. Also, sometimes you can understand the chart by some indicators and see you can find here the indicators that actually supporting you to decision making on the platform with the high volume or low one. Then you also have a new listing here where you can also see the new listing converted by tiers. It depends on the exchange. And you can open and see what description here as well, like all the cards. Then you have a smart volume where you're able to see how the big volume change is happening on the market, like 20x, 70x from the current volume. So you also can understand where is activity right now we have on the market. For example, we open the TRIA, we see how chart looks like, and we can also see how the volume is being changed by converting different algorithms here. So this is how it works. Then you also have a portfolio management where you're able to understand your current position on the market. You're able to take a long, short, to close your long. Everything will be in your trade history, so you can understand how it performs, your position, and so on. You can open the positions. You can see how charts looks like right now. You can set up an alerts, which definitely like this put into your Telegram account. And once the price go into such level, you will receive the notion from your Telegram wallet. So this is how it works. You're welcome.